There's a new tutorial in the Cookie Art Club. In this video, I'll show you how to make this haunted Halloween scene with cookies, royal icing, and poured sugar. Here's a preview of the tutorial. The full video is available in my Cookie Art Club. Hit the join button to become a member. I'm cutting the cookies from a chilled sheet of cookie dough. This is my pumpkin cookie recipe. If you want your gingerbread house to last for the whole season, I recommend using the construction gingerbread dough. I'll bake these cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Once the cookie is completely cool, you can pour hot sugar syrup into the windows. This is a mixture of water, sugar, and a little bit of lemon juice. You want to do this on a silpat so that it doesn't stick. Once the sugar is cool, you can decorate the house with royal icing. This is gray, stiff consistency royal icing that I thinned down a little bit with water. I'm using a decorating tip 3 to fill in the door. To learn more about royal icing consistencies, you can watch Royal Icing 101. I want this icing to have the texture of wood, so I'm using a flat brush to spread it out. I'm using the edge of the brush to make lines in the icing to make it look like wood planks. I'm using an edible ink marker to draw some jagged shapes on the cookie. I'm using a brush to spread some orange icing in those spaces. This icing is stiff consistency that I thinned down a little bit with a few drops of water, just like the gray icing. I'm stippling the brush to create texture in the icing. And then I'll do the same thing on the chimney. Before the icing gets too dry, I'm drawing a brick pattern with my 2-in-1 tool. You could also use a scribe tool or a toothpick for this, but I like this tool because it's a little bit thicker. I'm filling in the area around the bricks with purple flood consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 2. I'll be using the wet on wet technique, so I'm only going to work in small sections so that the icing doesn't crust over before I have a chance to put in my design. I'm using a scribe tool to help shape the icing. While the base layer is still wet, I'm piping a filigree design with light purple flood consistency icing and a decorating tip 1. hope you enjoyed this preview of the latest tutorial in my cookie art club. If you want to watch the full video and get access to my recipes and printable templates, hit the join button to become a member. Thanks for watching. See you next time.